Alright guys, well, I'm here with Rafa, and that means I'm spending money. We're on the way to go pick up the frame for the C10. So I'm picking up an original shortbed frame, so no more long bed, which kind of sucks, but oh well, we're going to build the truck to be a little bit more sportier and go a little faster. So this is like the first step, is picking up the new frame. So we have like a 40 mile drive to Riverside, go pick the frame up, and yeah, hopefully it fits in the back of the truck and we make it home safe. Alright guys, well, frame's picked up. We kind of have it tied down as best as we possibly can. I don't know why, but it never dawned on me how big it was going to be. And of course the latch breaks when we actually need the fucking tailgate to be down. But oh well, this is the first step to reviving the C10, so pretty stoked about it. And yeah, we're gonna head on home and go drop this thing off at hopefully my mechanics so my parents don't kill me. We got her all strapped down. Truck's looking like a unicorn. And yeah. I've seen sketchier things on the back of a truck. We should have got a fucking trailer. Oh well.
Seriously.
Dude, that thing is...
a tow truck, they would have fucking taken it?
I'm not picking a tow truck. Why, when we got this thing? Alright.
Okay, it looks.
Alright guys, wish us luck.
We're driving by just staring, bro. They're literally stopping it.
Fuck. Make it a short bit, they said, huh, Rafa? Alright guys, well, I didn't record us undoing the frame, but it's out. That was stressful to say the least, Rafa.
Say the least.
So, yeah, so update on the truck is I'm just going to slowly start getting all the parts to do what I want, basically. I want to get it hopefully done for Dino's get down. I'd like to put a turbo on it. I want to make it a short bed, obviously, and I got to get it painted. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm going to try. Probably do the turbo probably next year, but it's on the list of stuff to do. But yeah, so I'm starting to get everything. I'm still waiting on insurance money, but at this point, I'm just going to start working on the truck because they're taking forever. So yeah, I know it's a super short video, a little update on the C10. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, please subscribe to see the rest of the progress on rebuilding my baby.